Hey guys, so I'm here at 969 East Main Street in Harleyville. Look how adorable this is. Now, this is on 1.51 of an acre. Now, this front area, they said, is fenced. There is a piece of fence down right over there, but the whole property is not fenced. So if you wanted the horses here, you will need to fence the rest of it. But you're kind of covered up with all these pretty trees. I mean, they even have them in the front. So I do hear a little bit, obviously of the road traffic because it's right there, because it's convenient. And you do have a neighbor right through there. But I mean, it's hard pressed to see anybody. Look, there's like a cute little swing right there. Lots of brick. There's your clean out for the fireplace. Gosh, look at that. There's like a bench back in there. Let's go inside. So here's your courtyard. Patio. They put some extra pavers here, and I love this little pergola. I love that little decorative piece there too. Come on in. Really like the hardwood floors. All these beautiful beams. And they do have a little bit of a texture on them, so it's really nice. So this would be considered your dining room space, and this is real tile. It does need a transition piece right through there, but it actually is nice. Definitely gives you that rustic look, the wood with the stone. And I believe that's more of your formal kind of dining room, but he's using it as a music area. Let's take a look at this fireplace. It's just a piece of material right there on that, but it is a wood burning fireplace. And they've painted the brick. You have a half bath, or no, I'm sorry, a full bath right here. And they even have beams in this area. The ceiling fan, our exhaust fan, needs to have a cover. This is real stone. Cultured marble countertop. That's kind of an espresso cabinet color. And then you have kind of a peachy pink tub with a surround. I like the built-in there. The house is very comfortable. Feels good in here. Let's go around into the kitchen. Back in this dining room space, you have a bay window that you can set plants on. Do you see the shelving? So it's a great place to grow some herbs. Coming on back into the kitchen, the tile floors carry through. Again, the cabinets are kind of an espresso gray. And you have, I believe this is a laminate countertop. Freezer on the bottom. refrigerator. Can't get it all the way out. They do have a filtration system here on the sink, so that kind of tells me they are on a well. Electric stove, could use some cleaning, a bit scratched up. Vent hood, cabinetry. It is not a soft close. So stainless steel dishwasher. I can't get it open. That's not a good sign. Maybe they never use it. And I do love drawers. Lots and lots of drawers. So you got 4 here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 altogether with that one. Over here you have, I imagine, a pantry. However, they've got a piece of furniture here, so I cannot get into there. And moving on back is your laundry. Unfortunately, these guys, the bulbs are about out because you can kind of see they're kind of quivering. So this is as good a light as I'm going to get. But it is a really large space, and those cabinets match the kitchen. I mean, they've got a deep freeze. They've got actually 2 cupboards, a deep freeze. That's your breaker box. Oh, there's your microwave. Not microwave, dishwasher. It's a long way to come to use a dishwasher. But again, additional counter and sink space. The appliances, this is a Maytag, that's a Whirlpool, and this is a peel and stick floor. The wood floors are back, and it takes you all the way back around to the living room, but we're going to go back here to the master suite. They're utilizing the closet over there as an office space, but it could be totally converted back. Carpet is a brown color. We have a separate carpet type in the closet, but it is a walk-in closet. I do see signs of a past leak in the ceiling. Don't know if that's active. Need to double check that. This is also a peel and stick hardwood floor. It does match the living room. However, this is more of a laminate again. So slightly different. In here you have a linen or a medicine cabinet. And on the back side you have your tub. Toilet. Cute little antique cabinet with a vessel sink. The mirror is framed. This hallway closet is under the stairs, and it's great for storage. And then we have another one over here that they've put some shelving in. Be a nice second pantry. And then you come back out to that dining room / living room. We're going to pause and go upstairs. This is kind of a gray-brown carpet. Hang tight. Thought this was kind of interesting. These are real wood spindles, and they're really kind of nice. Nice chunky banister. Again, the brown carpet is upstairs. This is your hall bath. Again, we need a vent cover or light cover. This is more of a golden, yellowy color countertop marble. Your toilet is tucked in there. It's a little tight, I'm not gonna lie. And then behind the door is your shower. And everybody in this house must be super tiny because none of these showers are really tall. Out here is your attic access. You have a linen closet, but it doesn't have any shelves. Something you'd have to add. Easy fix. So the first of the secondary bedrooms, this one's quite large. It kind of spins around here, and they've tucked their bed over in this area. I couldn't get the light bulb on. Unfortunately, I don't have a switch. The switch only works this light bulb. But a big room. And then that is a closet. However, can't get it open. Doorknob didn't work. Just spun in my hand. This is, they're claiming it's another bedroom, which they can. Could be a nursery or an office space. That is a closet over there. Yep. And then yet again, another bedroom. This one is what they're using for the nursery. This pink one that we were just in would have been a great little playroom. It's pretty small. And then another walk-in closet. We're back in the laundry room, and I thought I would take you out on the side patio. So again, that's the front of the house. As you can see, the main road. Completely paved. Now they do have some wood rot here on the eave. Now that technically wouldn't make it fail a CL100, but it definitely would. You definitely want to get that fixed. You've got definitely kind of a hole right there, maybe a limb hit it. It's kind of the same way all the way over here. So all of that would probably need to, not all of it, but the majority of the ends would need to come off and be replaced. You've got a couple of storage buildings back here and a barn. Ooh, it's starting to rain. And a fire pit that needs to be cleaned up. But it's super duper private. This is actually a cute little barn. I think he's just been junking it out though. Yeah. Well, that was a fast rain. And there's the back of the home. These trees are gorgeous. So a lot can be done with this property. It does need some TLC. Go back to the. So this is 969 East Main Street in Harleyville. That's our grand tour. And to be perfectly honest, this is not the home for you. I'm so sorry. I just think that this is more than you guys want to bite off. But you make the final decision. Let me know.